Welcome back to our EatSleepYangon channel. This is Chaw and I will be your host for today. First of all, I would like to share out for Mr. Azure Zuraimi, who is the Burmese Mama membership program, and I'm really grateful for your help and support for our channel to create a better video. Now I am currently arrived at the morning local market in the housing area, so I'm gonna guide you through this market. So please tag along with me, guys. Yeah, as the first one you will see this the fruit stand, and you can see a lot of fruit and banana, orange and apple. 哇，你这邊啲人都有咧，看完呀，你記錄下啦。好。This is really sweet, so I want to buy it. And you want to try it? So you can try every fruit, as a trial, every fruit stand that you like. So let's just move on. Yeah, this is the thrift shop. You will see. Yeah, the thrift shop is really popular again in this century because we can afford to buy a new one because really expensive. Yeah. So let's just move on. Yeah, as a morning breakfast, you can get in here like a mohinga and the coconut milk noodle. You will see the deep frying shop in here. So we Myanmar people eat lots of the sticky stuff, sticky rice stuff as a breakfast, but I don't like that kind of stuff. And if you want the sweet one as a breakfast, you can choose like Burmese dessert. And if you want the savory one, you can choose the mohinga and like a noodle salad or Burmese salad. So let's keep walking. Follow with me. Yeah, you see the lots of plants in here. That's really cute. Yeah, this is our traditional tanaka. We use this stuff as a makeup to cover the sun ray, UV ray. Here you can see the lots of flower. Yeah, in here you can see like lots of vegetable stand and the flower stand and the kitchen glossary as well. If you don't want to go the shopping mall or shopping center, you can buy it from here. Oh my god, this little cat is so cute. This is the raw chili powder and fish paste. Fish paste is our main ingredient on our dining table. and we use the raw chili powder in our Burmese curry a lot because it makes our curry more delightful and delicious. So let's just move our. In here you will see like some kind of fiber shop, or you can get like various types of fiber shop, and if you want to go out or something, and you can see you can wear like this kind of fancy fabric, and this kind of silk is like an EatSleepYangon one, yeah. Yeah, this is the dry tea leaf. We use this kind of dry tea leaf in the warm water as a tea. We serve that kind of tea to the visitor when they visit to our house. Yeah, this is the small jiaojian. It's called. It's made with stone, and we use this tanaka and to ground it like a cycle, and the juice of the tanaka came out, and we put it in our face, like that's very, yeah. In supermarket, you can get like frozen meat or frozen vegetable, and the prices are really expensive compared with the local, because shopping center have to pay tax for their shop, and so the item price will be expensive. So now I am arrived at the end of the market, and I think this is a net about our morning local market, and I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like my video, I'm so sure you will also like this one and this one. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.